Hi, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed, please take a moment to subscribe and hit that notification bell. 5 tips for uniting your body, mind, and soul. Do you know what it takes to unite your body, mind, and soul? If you did, do you realize that you would be able to achieve the balance that nearly everyone wishes they had in their lives? Do you know what you need to do for yourself in order to bring about this balance? Part of uniting these 3 elements of your person is knowing what makes you passionate. Knowing what makes you passionate will help you get in touch with your soul, to feel creative energy, to feel truly alive. Spiritual or creative passion can help you to achieve those feelings. Whether it's through faith, music, or some other type of artistic expression, you must find what will awaken your soul in order to strike balance in your life. Here are 5 tips to guide you. 1. What are your goals for the future? What would you like to ultimately achieve in your life? Is it spiritual enlightenment? Is it social status? Or is it merely to be the best person you can be, and make a contribution to society? What is important, though, is the process by which you attain your ultimate goal. That is what will generate your passion. 2. Try to focus on the positive, and do not dwell on the negative. Recall your accomplishments and good deeds. Doing this will help keep you positive, and keep your spirit up. If you constantly remind yourself of your mistakes, you will find it harder to succeed down the road, and your mind, body, and soul will work against you. 3. You've heard of finding your happy place, right? This form of meditation helps you take your mind and spirit to a comfortable place that fills you with happiness. This is an ideal thing to do when you are in the middle of a stressful day at work or with the kids. It provides the perfect opportunity to regroup. 4. Spark a change. Plan a vacation, even if it is just for a weekend. Nothing does the body, mind, and soul better than a little change of scenery. Go where you will be happy, and be able to let loose and have some fun. Try it on your own. It might sound scary, but you will be surprised at how relaxed and refreshed you will be after a weekend all to yourself. 5. Try some daily affirmations. Pick 3 things that you can say out loud in the mirror that will help you stay centered, positive, and focused. Saying something often enough has the power to make it true for you. Remember not to dwell on the negative, focus on the positive. 3 basic affirmations that you can work from include, "Oh, I am safe and secure. Oh, the universe gives me everything that I need. Oh, I will be blessed in abundance financially. Okay guys, live your best life. Let positivity, love, peace and endurance ignite your entire being. Remember, health is wealth."
Thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.